Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to be going live for my aunt, Nyabuoy. She goes by Lara Queen on Facebook. They're having an event on May 26th in Omaha, Nebraska to raise funds for the South Sudanese children that are affected in this current war. So before I begin, I'm going to play a song from the Matian community, and I'll explain my connection to it in about 2 minutes. Thank you for those that are watching. That was a little song. Is for the Matian community of Gatbel. They typically live in Lada. Lada is located in Ethiopia, and then they also live in South Sudan. Today, the live video is because my aunt contacted me because they're having a fundraising event on May 26, 2018, which is in a few weeks, and they're going to be raising funds to help the children affected by the war. These children didn't choose to be in the predicament that they are in. And as community members who are somewhat privileged overseas, we should, our $5 or $10, we should kind of contribute so we kind of help our own. They always say that charity begins at home, and I really do believe that. And so that's why I tagged her in the video. And so you guys could, click on her name and find out more about the event. The event will be occurring in Omaha, Nebraska. I live in Calgary, Alberta, and I didn't have enough notice, so I won't be there physically, but maybe next time I would be. I'll explain a little bit about myself. My mom, she's from Gatbel, and she's from the Matian community. My dad, he's from Gatbel, and he's from Chihuahua. That's where my dad is, and so I'm pretty much like Gatbel, I guess you can call it. And this is important because it's always good to know your roots and where you come from. And I went to Lada in 2016, and it is like heaven on earth. It's so green. The people there are so nice, and they're just welcoming people. And I hear lots of stories about Lada and how anyone can go and be welcome and be healed and be sound. And it's true, because when I went there, I really saw why that situation is true, because the climate is nice, it's very green, and the people are very, very welcoming. Within Lada, you have everybody from different parts of South Sudanese tribes who actually live there, and they coexist, and they have a good time. So that will be a short, explanation about the event. So I'll just quickly repeat that, and then I'll be doing a second live video for a different topic. So this will end shortly. So I'll just quickly read what I wrote in the description. So Nuer international artists present. They're based in America, like the Midwest and whatnot. A fundraiser to help the families of the wounded in the current South Sudanese war. Any contribution is welcome. The event is taking place in Omaha, Nebraska. Please contact Auntie Nyabuoy, aka Lara Queen, for more information on Facebook. Date, May 26, 2018. Address, Starlight Chateau Event Center. I put the address there. It's in Omaha, and the time will be 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. For those that want to contribute, you can also reach me on Facebook, and then I can connect you with my aunt. Thank you.